Welcome back to a brand new video, friends. I wanted to show you guys just a few things that I saw in store for Valentine's 2023, and to be honest with you, there wasn't a whole lot. I'm pretty much showing you what I saw in the couple of stores that I was browsing in this year, and there was some cute stuff, but to be honest with you, I didn't pick up a whole lot. I just don't have anywhere to store this stuff. Otherwise, I probably would go crazy. There was a lot of cute stuff, but I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of what I saw in store this year. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing a very simple decorating Valentine's Day theme area in my kitchen, but it's also my son's 9th birthday. He is a February baby, so we're going to be doing a few just festive things around the house. I wanted to keep this very simple, realistic, and fun and relatable. I was filming when my Amazon package showed up at the door, so I thought, why not go ahead and show you guys. For Christmas, we gave our boys a trip to Disneyland as a gift, and we figured, why not go ahead and take that trip for my son's birthday or on his birthday and kind of celebrate both. So I picked up a couple items for his birthday and to wear to Disneyland, but I wanted to show you guys the area that we were going to be working on in today's video. So of course I need to clear the space of all this stuff that I have laid out here. This table can definitely be a catch-all. Now, if you guys are new here, my name is Katie, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am in Southern California, and I am a mom to 2 boys. I have Colton, who just turned 9, and then Rylan, who is 10. And then I have my husband. We are a law enforcement family, and this month, also in February, marks 13 years. These are the glasses that I got on Amazon. I will link them down below. I love the chunky, kind of bold, black, sporty vibe of them. And then, of course, my cute little Minnie Mouse t-shirt. But let me know if you guys are also Disney fans. But we only live about an hour away from Disneyland, so we love to go to the parks once or twice a year because it can be pricey. Also, these are the Rice Krispie treats I picked up for my boys to pass out in their classrooms to their classmates this year for Valentine's Day. So that's kind of a sneak peek into what you're going to see in today's video. But of course, we need to go ahead and clean up this space. Not a ton of cleaning. There's kind of like an even amount of clearing the space, cleaning it up, decorating, and then make sure you stick around until the very end. I will be sharing a very, very special festive Valentine's treat.
I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Miss you. Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me.
The first thing that I wanted to start decorating today was the balloon garland. I knew it was going to be the most time consuming, and my boys were at school while I started filming this today, and I wanted Colton, my birthday boy, to be surprised when he walked in the door from school. So I figured I better get this done first. And it was really simple. I think this garland was only about $7, and I'm not sure if I mentioned it was from Target. And I figured I would go ahead and put up this balloon garland, and then I also picked up a gold foil balloon with the number 9 to kind of add to it, because this is supposed to be kind of a nudge to Valentine's Day, since his birthday is actually February 7th, so it's a week before Valentine's Day. He's my sweet little Valentine. And then, of course, I want to leave up this garland through Valentine's Day, so for the next week. So I figured, why not go ahead and combine the two celebrations? So I had this little balloon pump. Fun fact, I cannot blow up a balloon, and I didn't want to go out and spend the money on a little device to blow these up for me, because that would have cost more than the balloons did. So I already had this little balloon pump, and this garland came with everything that I needed to put this together. So I'm just going to use what I have, and it comes out so cute. You guys will have to let me know what you guys think once I have it all put together.
Without you, you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
I will get close to your heartache if you won't open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind, now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. If that's what you... Oh, here you are, face to face in this trash.
The balloon garland was so simple. They can definitely look a lot more intimidating than they really are, but it seriously maybe took me about 15 to 20 minutes to put together, and the whole thing probably took me about 30 minutes. And now I'm going to go ahead and put a sweet little simple decoration here on the dining room table. I already owned this runner. I'm making sure I'm doing everything on a budget. I didn't want to run out and buy a ton of things. So I already own these Rose Forever roses. I thought they were so beautiful for Valentine's Day. And then I picked up this huge bag of conversation hearts, and these are really good. Look at these flavors. I loved how each color was a different flavor versus like the old OG conversation hearts. So these were super good, and they also look really beautiful in a bowl, and just look like a decoration for just a few dollars. And then I've shared this Valentine's Day candle, I think a couple videos ago. I will link that video down below. So I'd already had this candle as well. So I just kind of put these in the center of the table, and then I will complement each side of this runner with some Valentine's Day gifts and some birthday gifts. I was still waiting on a few more of his birthday gifts to come in the mail. And so I thought I might as well go ahead and wrap up what I already have. And then when the other stuff comes in, I can wrap that. And I just thought this would help get him excited for his birthday coming up, just seeing the birthday decorations and then the presents on the table. And then I can just add to this gift pile as his gifts come in. And again, I just loved how it kind of balanced everything out. We had Valentine's Day on one side and then birthday on the other.
People in the bar line, I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
How stinking cute did these turn out? When the boys get home, I'll have them put their names on these so they can pass them out at school. So there's like 64 of those in there. And then I have the boys' Valentines all staged right here. And then I have my Rose Forever roses. Look how beautiful those are. I've got my Valentine's Day candle, and then a bunch of conversation hearts to kind of snack on, and then a couple of Colty's gifts, waiting on a couple more to come in the mail. And then the beautiful star of the show over here. I'm so pleased with this. Got our little balloon garland with his number 9 and his happy birthday. So a little Valentine's-y for my little February baby, my forever little Valentine. But just really simple touches of Valentine's Day, and still celebrating and keeping it festive for his birthday. At the beginning of this video, I told you guys to make sure you stuck around until the very end so I could share a festive sweet treat with you guys. So it is that time. The first version I'm going to share with you guys is just a mocktail, so good for people of all ages. And the second one is going to be more of an adult alcoholic version. So you can tweak this recipe any way that you want. The actual recipe I saw called for Fanta strawberry soda, but with shortages in the stores everywhere, my store was out, so I saw this Minute Maid Agua Fresca, and it was a strawberry flavor, but feel free to use whatever sounds good to you. So I just put some frozen strawberries with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, some strawberry syrup, and then you want to put your drink, in my case this strawberry juice. And then I have my NutriBullet. I blended that up, and then I just melted down a little bit of frosting, and I'm going to use it to rim my glass. And then I picked up some adorable Valentine's Day themed sprinkles, and I'm just going to add that to the frosting that rimmed my glass to just really elevate the look and make it super festive. Then of course you want to go ahead and top this drink with whipped cream and then more sprinkles. To make this an adult beverage with alcohol, you are going to start your base of the drink the same with the frozen strawberries, vanilla, and strawberry syrup. I prefer to use strawberry and cream Baileys, but you guys, I went to 4 different stores and my stores didn't have it. I don't know why, but they didn't. They usually do carry it. So I just picked up this tequila rose. It is strawberries and cream, more of the same, but tequila based. It is so good. So I used that in place of the Baileys, blended that up, pour it into a festive glass, and then you want to rim it with the frosting, sprinkles, and then don't forget to add that whipped cream. And it is so good. It does taste a little strong. It has a kick, but feel free to add less alcohol if that's what you prefer. That is going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was really fun to do something different and just simple and festive for Valentine's Day coming up. Colton approves of this Valentine's Day themed drink. Let me know if you guys make it. If you guys like this video, if you could hit that thumbs up button, that helps me out a ton. Consider subscribing before you leave. And other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.